under your seat. 使用时取出经头部出口。To put the vest on, slip it over your head. 将带子扣好系紧。Fasten the buckles and pull the straps tightly around your waist. 然后打开充气阀门。Then pull the inflation tab. 但在客舱里请不要充气。Please do not inflate it while you are in the cabin. 充气不足时，可将救生衣上部的2个人工充气管拉出，用嘴向里吹气。If your vest is not inflated enough, you can also inflate it by blowing into the mouthpiece. 氧气面罩储藏在您座椅上方。Your oxygen mask is in the compartment over your head. 发生紧急情况时，面罩会自动脱落。It will drop automatically when needed. 氧气面罩脱落后要用力向下拉面罩。If you see the mask, pull the mask toward you firmly to start the flow of oxygen. 将面罩罩在口鼻处，带子套在头上进行正常呼吸。Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic band over your head. Within a few seconds, oxygen flow will begin. 带小孩的旅客请先戴好自己的，然后再为小孩戴好面罩。If you are traveling with children, please put your mask on first, then assist your children. 这是您座椅上的安全带。This is your seat belt. 使用时将连接片插入锁扣内。To fasten your seat belt, insert the link into the main buckle. 根据您的需要调节安全带的松紧。To be effective, the seat belt should be fastened tight and low. 解开时先将锁扣打开，拉出连接片。To unfasten the seat belt, lift the flap and pull out the link. 为预防因颠簸造成意外伤害，请您全程系好安全带。When the aircraft is experiencing turbulence, please fasten your seatbelt tightly. 本架飞机除了正常出口外，在客舱的左右侧还有紧急出口，分别写有紧急出口的明显标志。There are emergency exits on each side of the aircraft. In addition to the main entrance doors, all the exits are clearly marked. 客舱通道及出口处都设有紧急照明灯。紧急情况下，请按指示路线撤离飞机。The emergency lights located on the floor will guide you to the exits if an emergency arises. 当发生空中颠簸时，如果您不能及时回到座位，请抓紧行李架边缘的凹槽处。如果您在使用洗手间，请抓紧洗手间内的扶手。Please grasp the overhead assistant bar or the assistant handle in the lavatory in case you can't get back to your seat immediately. 安全说明书在您前面座椅的口袋里，请您在起飞前仔细阅读。For further information, please refer to the safety instruction leaflet before takeoff. 谢谢。Thank you. 女士们、先生们，尊敬的吉祥贵宾，感谢您的耐心等候。乘务员将进行客舱安全检查，请您系好安全带，收起小桌板及脚踏，调直座椅靠背，打开遮阳板，并取下耳机、充电线等数码配件。本次航班全程禁止抽吸香烟、电子烟及同类产品。请您遵守系好安全带、禁烟信号灯和客舱相关标示牌的指示。不要触动或损坏洗手间内烟雾探测器。同时，请 您妥善保管好您的贵重物品。吉祥航空，如意飞翔。您的每次旅行都承载着我们的祝福。我们珍视您的需求和期待，把每次飞行都当作与您的一次亲切交流。希望给您的旅途带来不一样的心灵体验。谢谢，祝您吉祥如意。Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome from all the crew on Juneyao Air. We kindly remind you that smoking is not allowed on board at any time. Please follow the seatbelt sign, non-smoking sign, or any other cabin sign instructions. Do not touch or destroy the smoke detectors in the lavatory. Please take good care of your valuable items. Please fasten your seatbelt, keep your seat back in the upright position, stow your tray table and footrest, and open your window shade. Please reconfirm that digital accessories such as earphones, data cables, have been removed and stored safely. Juneyao Air, where dreams take flight. May our best wishes accompany you on each and every journey. We strive to fulfill your needs and expectations, and each time you fly with us is a treasured opportunity to communicate with you. We hope this trip will be a pleasant, heartfelt experience for you unlike any other. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. We wish you have a pleasant journey. Thank you.